looking forward to.
You sleep like this.
Better is you say outside very cold, otherwise inside car I'll sleep. At least half an hour.
No problem, sleep.